back, guys. Welcome back. Well, first video, I guess. Yeah, it's the first video, I guess. But today, we're going to be going by people's houses and blowing an air horn. It's going to be very, very fun. Yeah. And there's like people in the neighborhood with dogs, and them dogs, like, they'll get on you. Yeah, dude. So yeah, it's just me, dude. It's just me and my friend Gavin. So yeah. We're currently in the middle of nowhere. Just because of the dog, which we just did that house before we start the video. I know, dude. Okay, so I'll get back to you when we're doing it. Guys, the people came out, like, they just came out of the door, and we're running. Dude, we're running for our life. I'm holding the camera. Dude. Okay, we're good. Dude, they came out of their house. Probably getting the gun around. Oh. Okay.
You trying to go like this house?
Yeah, sure. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Dude,
they're German Shepherds.
Dude, they're German Shepherds, dude. Oh, shoot. Dude, their dogs are barking. Dude, their dogs are barking at us right now. And it's not fun. I know, dude.
German Shepherds will kill us.
I know, dude. This is so scary right now, guys.
Okay, we'll update you for... Look at the German Shepherds.
Oh my God, dude. Dude, they're looking at us, dude. Dude, them German Shepherds are right over there, and they're looking at us. So, like, they want to viciously attack us.
If they start trying to attack us, dude,
Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. Double dinger. Let's do this house.
Should we go boom boom? Should I go boom boom fucker?
Yeah, no. Which, our house is right up here, so it would it really...
You're probably little creeps.
Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh. Dude. They're coming out of the house. They're coming out of the house.